Only Jesus enjoyed pre-existence. Ibig sabihin, bago pa siya masumpungan sa kalagayang tao, siya ay nasa kalagayang anak ng Diyos. Yun ang kanyang dating at paunang kalagayan. And so, we submit that the deity of Jesus is His pre-existence. The deity of Jesus was His pre-existence. Walang ibang tao ang may pre-existence, only Jesus Christ. Jesus is God for being God's Son. And He is God prior to Him being human. All throughout the New Testament, the deity of Jesus was actually established without any ambiguity or equivocation. Ito ay walang kaduda-duda at sa panahon niya noon, sa mga kausap niya noon ng mga Hebreo at mga Israelita, sa mga Hudyo noon, maliwanag sa kanila kung ano ang sinasabi ni Jesus at ang inaangking ni Jesus na siya ay Diyos sa pagiging anak ng Diyos. At ito ay maliwanag lalong-lalo na sa Ebanghelyo ni Juan at sa iba pang mga aklat ng Ebanghelyo. The deity of Jesus Christ was clearly established primarily in the Gospel of John as well as throughout the rest of the Synoptic Gospels. And every Christian that is really biblical, we do everything as followers of Jesus due to the truth and to the fact that Jesus indeed is the Son of God. Our worship, our service, our evangelism, our discipleship, and everything else in between, all of the things that true Christians do is mainly because of the facts and the truth that Jesus Christ indeed is God for being the Son of God. The entire scriptures, this is something that we have read last week, the entire scriptures from the Old Testament all the way to the New Testament, the entire scriptures do acknowledge that Jesus indeed is the Son of God. We read that, for instance, in the book of John in chapter 20, in verse 31.